Digital audio broadcasting, generally referred to as DAB, provides high-quality digital radio. This video will show you the basics of the DAB radio system, including how to tune your DAB radio, how to store a channel as a preset, and how to recall a preset channel. Start using your DAB radio by building a list of available ensembles and channels within your region. You can do this by selecting Media on the touchscreen's home menu, or you can press the Media button on the touchscreen surround. Select DAB radio. On the next screen, you can use the Auto Seek keys to tune in your required ensemble and station. If you want to store a channel that you're listening to, you will need to select one of the presets and hold for 2 seconds. You will notice a brief change in volume, confirming your selection as a preset. More presets can be accessed using the arrows. To recall a stored preset, simply touch the appropriate preset where the channel is stored. A temporary loss of reception as a result of losing the DAB radio signal can sometimes be experienced. This can occur when the vehicle is shielded by large objects, such as tall buildings. These are known as dead spots. The sound quality of the DAB radio can also be affected by auxiliary electrical equipment connected to the vehicle. For further information about this feature, or any other feature, please refer to your owner's handbook. For help or assistance, please contact your Jaguar Land Rover retailer, who will be more than happy to assist you.